Hi, it's Colleen from Three Graces, and we're going to talk about red. Red is an amazing color. It's a very powerful color. It's the color of love. In a makeup look, it's definitely a statement color. To me, red is reminiscent of 1940s Hollywood glamour. You know, the red carpet, stars like Lucille Ball and Rita Hayworth and Lauren Bacall. And I love a good red color. A decade ago, I wore red almost every day, a really deep, dark, matte red. A lot of people, like I've said before, are not comfortable wearing red. It's too bold, it's too much. And for me, you can customize a red to get it exactly to what looks best for your skin tone and to wear something that you're comfortable with. Apply one layer, you just get a beautiful sort of rosy hint of red. Or if you wear it like I do, where I layer it on a couple times, you get the full effect of the true red color. I always say, dress how you want to feel. So I do wear red for certain meetings. I wear it for evening. I wear it when I want to feel really dressed up. You know, my grandmother, who was a huge inspiration to me in creating Three Graces Beauty, she never left the house without her red lipstick, and I was fascinated by it. For probably 40 years, she wore a color called Cotillion Red from Avon. And I just remember she always had that gold tube in her handbag. And watching her put it on was the most fascinating thing. Because you know, you have to hold your mouth just right to apply color. So it reminds me of my grandmother, who was always impeccably dressed, always had the crisp dress, the bouffant hair, the cat eye glasses, the beautiful red lipstick, and the high heels. So it's kind of special to me as well because it really reminds me of my grandmother. And on our red here, I love the saying, rejoice today and be glad. Because red always reminds me a little bit of happiness, and happiness that comes from people that love me and people that I love. So if you haven't tried red, you should. Number 106, rejoice today and be glad.